Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very good and easy way to earn a handsome amount of money without investing even a penny using the Meta Viewpoints app. With this method, you can earn $10 in just a few days depending on your country of residence. So let us learn what this app is and how you can earn a few bucks from it as pocket money. Meta Viewpoints is a market research app that rewards you for participating in surveys, tasks, and research studies. Meta uses the insights gathered from your feedback to improve its products like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp and to better understand how social media impacts the community. So now let us quickly learn how you can earn money from the Viewpoints app. First of all, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Viewpoints app. After that, install and launch the app. Once the app is open, you can sign up for a new account using your Facebook account or mobile/cell phone number. Follow the corresponding steps of verification and profile completion. Finally, provide necessary data usage permission. Once done, you will see surveys, tasks, and research studies in your Viewpoints dashboard in the next couple of days. Simply complete those surveys, tasks, and research studies to earn points. After accumulating a minimum 1,000 points, you can proceed to redeem those points for gift cards, wallet credit, and PayPal cash transfer. To redeem points, go to the Rewards tab and click on See Reward button next to Eligible Reward. On the next page, click the Redeem Reward button and wait. After a few seconds, you will receive an email or text from Tremendous having the link to redeem reward. Click on that link and choose your desired reward type. After successfully redeeming the reward, you will receive it. In this video, I have shown the reward redeeming process for PayPal International Cash Transfer to a bank account. Check the screenshots and follow the process to get PayPal cash transfer to a bank account. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends.